Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. This is Karyarif, lecturer in English, Abu Dhabi Degree College, Shagada Gaibandha. Welcome everyone to my online class. Dear viewers, today's class is especially for my beloved student of HSC second year. Okay, dear student, how are you? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Dear student, today I would like to discuss your question number 6, and in your question number 6 there is also voice. Okay, changing sentence, you face voice and from active to passive or passive to active. And today I am going to teach you what's the rules of voice from active to passive. Let's start. The structure of active voice: subject, verb, object, extension. Okay, and when you are asked to passive the voice, at first you have to turn the object in subject, then you should use to be verb according to the tense, and the verb of active voice will be V3 or past participle in the passive. Then you should use extension, then you should use preposition. Okay, in 90% we can use by and add, with, in. These are very exceptional in sentence, and subject will be the object here, right? Let's start. Question number 1. People of all ages enjoy this game. This is active voice, and we should now change it in passive. Okay, the object is subject here, this game. Then the main verb, this is present indefinite tense, that means V1, and if the main verb is V1 in active voice, you should use the to be verb is amateur. Okay, this game is third person singular number, so we should use is. Main verb is V3, preposition by, subject is object here. Okay, question number 2. Subject verb, they love their motherland profoundly. Subject verb, object, extension. Object is subject here, the motherland, and it is past indefinite tense. If the verb is V2 in active voice, you should use was or were. Okay, so this subject is third person singular number, we should use was. Main verb is V3, then extension, then you should use preposition, and subject is object. And we know if the subject is pronoun, you should use the objective form of pronoun, and if the subject is noun, you should use the noun form. Question number 3. The government has taken some step to prevent COVID-19. This is present perfect tense. The object is here, some steps. It is subject. Then you should use to be verb, have or has. You have to use have been or has been. Subject is plural, so we have used have been here. Main verb is V3, then we should use extension. Okay, then by is preposition, the subject is object here. Next, last one, question number 4. So we should control it for our own sake, for our sake. So is extension. If you find the extension in a sentence at first, you have to use the extension at first. Okay, the object will be the subject here. Modal verb, if you find the modal verb in active voice, you should change it with be. Okay, if you find here can, could, may, might, shall, should, in passive you should use can be, should be, must be. Okay, so here you should use should be, and main verb will be V3, controlled, extension for our sake, preposition by, and subject is object here. The objective form is we, is us, right? That student, you have to memorize the chart. Okay, the to be verb of passive, and you have to memorize also the structure of passive voice. Okay, and dear students, I hope this class is very much clear to you, and you are able to understand my class, my lecture. In my next class, I will teach you the exceptional sentence in voice. No more today. Stay home, stay safe.